Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a handy new feature in the Messenger app on PC that allows you to mark a group chat as read. This can be particularly useful for keeping your notifications organized, especially if you're part of several active groups. So, let's get started with the step-by-step process to make your chat management a breeze. First, go ahead and launch your Messenger app on your computer. Once it's open, you'll be greeted with all your conversations. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do so with your Facebook credentials to access your messages seamlessly. Next, look for the group chat you want to mark as read. This can usually be found in your recent conversations list. If you have a lot of chats, you might need to scroll through a bit to find it. Just remember, it shouldn't take too long, and once you see it, you're one step closer to clearing your notifications. Now that you've found the group chat, it's time to take action. Hover your mouse over the chat window. You'll notice 3 small dots appear on the right side. This is a new feature that's quite convenient. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting a few options for managing your conversation. Among these options, you'll see the choice to Mark as Read. Click on that option, and just like that, the group chat will be marked as Read, helping you stay on top of your notifications without any hassle.